Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable high performance storage order in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings, so click on it. Now WooCommerce setting open and then you see multiple tabs, so click on advanced tab. Now advanced tab open and scroll down, you see multiple options and then you see feature tab, so click on it. Now feature setting open and then you see order data storage, so enable WordPress post storage and then you see high performance order storage recommended, enable this option and then click on save changes. Now settings saved, so we enable high performance storage order in feature setting. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.